Yeah, morning everyone, and thanks again for the opportunity, Tim, to present the ISRA vision and our 100% inspection system. What I'm going to cover today, next slide please, Katie, is just really working with the benefits of 100% inspection. So the Carton Star is designed specifically for inspecting lots of different aspects of the print and the quality challenges, I would say, within the corrugated printing process. Next slide, please, Katie. The vision system basically picks up on missing print, I would say, the main aspects of what we're looking for from a defect, misregistration, and also it really enables countermeasures to be taken before the waste is actually created. Next slide, please. I mean, most of us and most of you, I would say, have experienced claims from customers regarding misprint, missing information that's on the board of the printed corrugated. We have developed and we have now standard in the system what we call is a PDF proof, which is our quick proof. So what we're doing here is comparing a PDF, a customer signed approved PDF, with actually what's printed on the sheet or on the corrugated board. Next slide, please. At the heart of the system is high-speed cameras. These are customly configured cameras. Most of our installations, I would say 90% of our installations, are on already installed machines. So a lot of design comes into actually how do we install and configure these systems. But it's a modular concept, and we specifically design the systems for really customer needs. Next slide, please, Katie. Customer feedback. What we'd say most of our customers are experiencing ROI, return on investment, I would say within the first year. And the reason it comes down to mainly is looking at waste, reducing waste. We see productivity increases on average, I would say around 10 to 15%. Our customers, and that's with the printer, with the operator actually being able to do other tasks, and being more confident with the systems being installed that they can increase the speed. So definitely a productivity increase and obviously a reduction in waste. Next slide, please. We have the case studies. I mean, we have this available to any new customers, any customers inquiring. We have the template, the format. We can very easily calculate, ROIs, because we know, most of the figures, most of the numbers that you're working with. And this is just a typical example of what we can work with ISRA and with the customers. So definitely, if you are interested, it's a very quick exercise. We just need some of this information. And we can show you typically on what the return would be having a 100% inspection system installed. Next slide, please. A lot of to do with really sort of job reports. How do we then pass that information? A lot of quality reports, information that needs to be transferred to your customers. This can be stored on your own MIS system. You can create your own independent reports that can be carried with the job and your supply. But again, full flexibility on what we can do on a reporting system as well.